Gargamel created Smurfette. Anyway,
Smurfette was created by the Gargamel?
oh yeah, from a lump of clay. Really cool story, actually.
I knew I didn't trust her.
Oh, you like her if you get to know her. She's just like you, but nice.
Hold on, we got Bogey coming in.
That's no bogey. Gargamel's big dumb bird.
Here,
You fly. That's not a great idea. Flying's not really my thing.
have you ever flown before?
Well, no.
Well, then how do you know it's not your thing? Coming back.
Oh, what do I...
Hurry.
What do I do now? Oh, good news.
Now do it again.
Okay. Yes. Wait a minute. I don't recognize that other Smurf. They found my lost Smurf village.